My normal everyday no makeup yeah. For start me can I am my facial care which means my room manim, mascara manim with my serum ni my facial cream any sunscreen in here. And I feel my I am my eyebrows so that into your mom you know. It does me use setting spray as my primer and as a normal primer. Into the me baby is normal primer, but sometimes you use setting spray. With the primer ni be good brush so. I feel it. Me prefer me ni me Wait me so you see one sa. I apply o primer no. Apply primer ni we afei na wama na wo afei de me ba be si me concealer for me mani echi ene mani ase concealer si omimienu hu se we eye darker we eye lighter but because say eye me normal everyday makeup na me pese be look too we ni no me tell you concealer ene me skin color no eye pepepe I we eye legal pro concealer in espresso we say eye phone we are lighter than this one. Me baby, you see, darker one I espresso no because I'm going for a natural look. May I apply baby because me normal no makeup looking to make a crave ya me him. Na me de kakra me ha say no so hey we a bit like hyperpigmentation me smile lines no. After na me use me damp beauty brush me de share ensuo mu ma hoho won pa ensuo mu ma aye damp. Obetum so you see setting spray. E dey spray we no so. Until we acha 10 minutes bia de it will set me we. Eba ne makeup the best technique blending. I will say we put you on your best blending skills. I'm going to say blending and one we here. What me blend do makeup ye pet and found in your baby so we be able come together. Fine. Into we say me blending aye come into when some look na work no me you see foundation bia normally me normal everyday no makeup looks in your main time you see foundation into no we powder we I can say MAC Studio Fix no in color NW50. We a powder plus foundation, which is everything has been compressed together, but in a powder form. A powder in your cream, a powder, and I love it because a more full coverage into my family brush. Na me die. MAC powders day. I swear by it. Never been able to leave it. Me jai is a music MAC foundation, but MAC powders day. I cannot stop using them because they give me that kind of full coverage that I like. The kakraso ever for me queen because me will be normally my neck darker than my face. And I think nipa baby was hard no. And yes, in your Arabia, but I just have a darker neck than my face. Into no most of the time we makeup I was so blended. The ba come na say bibia aye kama ma we mfi waso because super say bibia aye kama after the me ba you see me Maybelline Fix Me no a setting powder but aye compressed and your normal loose one be no we aye compressed and we shall me use super because me ni my favorite even though aye white but we use and you ja any white we be aye woni we dey ma mention into me the way no set me bakey. I'm just setting it because baby I'm used to concealer into wash and I'm and I like it because it sets it very 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 nicely like it leaves your face that kind of matte way and I like it. Somebody setting me concealer. Me person me bakey cramp when I tell you say no set it and sana. Say and show it there. I'm the be for my eyebrow no so kakra so the be ya. A best set a bear matte fine and bear shining beer. Well, cause what me who say I didn't do much, but my name I so delicious. That make what I say. It's not for me. We are no sana. Now me you see a kind of say me way. I am a bronzer from Fenty. Which I know so me use so fine. Yeah no. So me use something simple. So I'm not going to do any cream contour. Not me use we nkwa. But so who need and one year by force is a corner quarter Fenty. But me see any bronze be a. We hear something a year warm a year darker. I also say be nim aye. Aye baya akwati say no shape akwati say kosua but so we use bronzer e contour wenima and as a contour cream de contour wenima na mo wenim shape abem kama sometimes you use we friends revolution for omo matte bronzer in color deep sometimes you see eno so but ende de sa look with me ba be see you can say me Fenty no It's no ube contour under your cheekbone. Oh yes, say ya. Say your cheekbone. With cheekbone. But open under your cheekbone. Into when you're sure where your cheekbone is. I'll bet me eyes I will smile so. Then you go ahead and put it there. And that's what to make gauge from what so has say ever. Say 2 things. Say come. I feel not be the same thing I was say. We gauge from what so and I'll be smile. It's no. Say just under your cheekbone. To where upesa wodi be efa wo ha say with hair lines no. Yeah, they are then to bring you that kind of shape. Into ya kakra na aka wo na. You don't need much. Now wako. We need round ninya. At this point, me page am go na ko ni kakra. Afen. Na me dey my hairlines ninya to give me that kind of nice shape on my face. Ebinom eye ne set. Omo ye ne set 3 to say 1 2 because we now so e contour omo has omo jaw lines but me town contour me jaw lines just say for special occasion me I want to go for something really glamorous and then me contour me jaw lines na dey but I already have a beautiful jaw lines I don't really bother but be now say na omo ye no I so we draw 3 no which means you need it like this and then this you know me yeah no so me so the shape have me nim aha aye darker aha aye lighter I say no so say lighter on say ama shape aba me nim fine seen before no because before na me nim nya album akwese se na yakopon ebo wiase no or say the earth was formless na me nim aye formless but say the form abem yam kwati ase ti me wi akakra na aka na me ya na hwe me brush na me mia na che say me de akonto me hen so kakra it me wi sa na I just take a normal round brush my family bronzer na me use you know I don't do anything just the bronzer na me de afa bronzer no then I go over my eyelid. It's just a simple makeup. It's me din kan e de my eyelid e form de na. Asa na afede. My ba e ba be kind of motion way. Swiping motion. Na afi me de blend it aba so kama. But enye bibia chinchin na bia. The thing is the more you apply it no, the more deeper color no intense the color no ebeye. So you apply it into your preference. Or per se deeper, per se something lighter. But me, I just need something light because it's something concealer and a miniature. No, I'm a miniature. Ni look at the same too. So I come. Once I come, simple and nice. I don't do anything to it. I'll do the same thing to this place too. Very simple and nice. My bronzer na eyeshadow palette so a warm brown colors were inside that. But me use so no. If it's a deeper brown color, but me say na make can the more you apply baby now the be one no and be ma color no intense but fuck akra be the year no blend in the camera be nice. So this is it. This is my name shape abem camera. I mean you see I apply when from beginning no a foundation brush and me prefer some of the foundation brush ebe apply powder because my coverage no e camera. And since I me ba base me normal powder brush me the for we ne kakra I don't need much. Then I just go on my whole face. I feel no maybe simple. It's after me we are not my eyeliner so me simple. I feel na my family waterline pencil we miss normal black pencil from Essence. I feel na my family eyeliner na messy decimal points. My family mascara. It's not for there and one fair. Aye, comma. It's me we are. This is setting spray be a will pay. We bet me see way and so. Na me spray me ni munya. Afede na mama na wo. Afede a dry kama. Na ma fa me beauty blender no. Fa side a hwe ni wonom no. Edampe m'anim kama. Fen ba be si me eyebrows pulling no. Because of some of the powders na there akọ my eyebrows me see me eyebrows pulling no. Afe na me de aye no kama. A powder be was to be on the be free so. That is all. Normal no makeup look. And guys in Pamocho, please somebody me subscribe at Authentic Mama Course. Thank you.